Alright guys, so right now I am sweating, so I'm just gonna go down to the river really quick for go all that fresh. You see me? Yeah, it's been raining all day as you guys could have seen, so my day has been lazy. One thing I can tell you for sure is that being here, my stomach has never been hungry. Like every day my belly full, and when Mokko serve you food, you get a whole heap of food. That might be a bit of glare from the lights. Okay, it should be a little better now. But yeah, you get a whole heap of food. Yeah, it's been so much rain that the other river has come into play now, so we can't just walk on the rocks again. I've also walk onto the other river. If you guys were watching the other video, you would have seen probably like 3 videos ago or so that this wasn't here. You could walk directly over with no problems, but yeah, here comes the other river. Just took a bit of rain. Luckily man always in them cracks. So. Oh yes, loud. That's what it's called. Yeah. That's why I love wearing Crocs on my travels, because you see me, I don't really worry about water much when I'm wearing these, and they dry out really quick. Wow. So where I'm walking on now, you can tell, you can always know where the river will come, because when you look at the stones are going to always be rounded, because just with the constant movement of water over the years, the decades, the centuries, however long the river has existed, it will you know, create like a smooth surface. So the water gradually just erodes and erodes and erodes. So you see like several of these stones in a particular area, then you know that yeah, the rivers will flow through. But anyway, I'm gonna take a shower. I'm not gonna show you guys me doing that, because that's not really important to you. I'm just gonna focus mainly on getting some drone shots for you of the river, and yeah, I like the river now a lot more. It just looks more like what you want a river to be like. Yeah. Yo, you guys would be freaking surprised like how much thought, like, I don't consider myself to be like a hardcore YouTuber, but like the ones who like focus heavily on the shots or do it for a job, it takes a lot of work, you know, just to get like certain things. Like even now, to fly something as simple as a drone, I have to be considering where am I going to land it, you know, where am I going to take off from so it doesn't crash or meet any problems. Like here now, so many rocks about, but hopefully it doesn't get a problem. Let's see how that goes. I really think it's gonna be a dumb moment trying to take my drone off on an uneven space, but yo, I'm gonna try it. Let's see. Yo, Ali just did the coolest thing for me personally that I've, you know, yeah, like it's crazy. So normally when you have a drone, like situations like these where you don't have like a good landing spot, or maybe you're traveling on a boat or something like that and you need the drone to land but there's no precise landing spot for it, they do what you call like a hand catch. Now it's scary because like it's a drone and those propellers are moving really fast, but my friend Hakeem, when he flies his drone, he just goes like this and just catches it and whatever. So talking to him, he taught me like, you know, how to catch a drone pretty much, and I just did it because like there was no way for me to land this crap, like any at all. But anyway, the SD card got full. Like I thought it was supposed to like delete old videos by itself, which I thought, but nah. So I'm gonna change the SD card and then try to do it. Yeah, just probably unnecessary info for some of you, but I know some people out here are aspiring YouTubers, so there you go. All right, so here's a teachable moment. And for those who don't know, like I'm a teacher by profession, that's what I do. So if you hear me just sharing information, it's just my habit, you know. But anyway, long story short was I tried to switch my vlog camera memory card into my drone, but of course it's 2 different formats, and I don't have the time to try to figure it out right now when the rain is about to fall. I need to go take a shower. The next thing is, normally it would send the files to my phone in the case where the memory gets full, but because I have no data, I have no service, it cannot connect to the cloud, so that gets messed up. And yeah, the purpose is to really go take a shower. You guys, whatever you guys see in my videos, normally it's just a substrate of something that I want to do for myself, and I go, okay, let me just bring you guys along. So what I'm gonna do after I take my shower is to deal with something from Mokko, and then that's for tonight's dinner. I'm gonna get something from the shop, and then I will try to fly the drone here with you know, seeing that the weather, you know, stays sunny, and yeah, that's the vibe.